Hi everyone, this is Pritha Prabhu, your 16CS309. I'm here to explain a sample program using class and objects in Java and array of objects. For me, the given question is to create a class called product with attributes as product cost name and ID, and methods to add products to display the details of all the products and to display the cost of a given particular name, product name, and to update or change the cost of a given particular ID. Let's move to the program. I've used a scanner class I've imported here. This is to get the input from the user, and this is the product class. And in this product class, I've given a product name, product cost, and product ID as the attributes, in which product name is a string data type and the other two as integer. First, the product cost would be 0 assumption, and later it gets added or it gets changed to the given cost. This is a constructor, this public product. This is a constructor which gets initialized once the object is created in the main function, and it gets the name, cost, and ID from the main function as parameters, and stores them in product name, product cost, and product ID. And this is used to uh, store the details of a product in a particular index in an array. This is actually an array of objects, which means many objects will be created in an array, and in a particular array, uh, the particular objects product name, cost, and ID will be created using this constructor and kept and stored. This is a method. This is to update the cost. Already the cost will be there, so we if you want to change it, we can use it. And this is a parameter. uh, this is an argument which we get from the main function, main method. The cost, new cost, which we want to change, will be sent through this one, and get um, placed in the product cost. It replaces, and this is to show the particular cost of a particular product. The name will be given, and according to that the cost will be shown. This is to show all the details of all the products from the array index 1 the product, array index 2 the product, and all its details will be displayed. Let's move to the main function. I've created a SC object for the scanner class so that we can get the input from the user, and I've declared C and CNT equal to 0. Count is to just to indicate the index of the array of objects, and C is used to um, use in the switch case, and it works according to the choice of the user. These things are used: cost ID, SID, and cost name and SName. These things are used for the further upcoming methods. I'll explain it about it in later. This one, next one is equal to 1. This I have declared here. This is used for a while loop, which we are going to use. Here I have created a list, an array of objects, 10 objects. That is all we can hold it here, since because I have given it as 10. So it can store 10 products with its name and its details. So first we are putting it in a while loop, and we are asking the user to give the required choice, and according to the choice a switch case is created, in which the first case goes like this. First case is to add product. To add product, we need to get the input from the user, the product name, cost, and ID. We are getting it like this. I've increased count so that array index of 1, the product will be placed. And this product name which you get from the user gets stored in name, and product ID will be stored in ID, and product cost will be stored in cost. Using this sc.next enter next line, only by using that we can get the input from the user. If it is integer, it will be int. If it is a string, it will be line. So like that, the input can be got from the user. So once we've got all the details, we are passing that as a argument into the constructor. So automatically when we create this new product, that is a new object, that constructor gets initiated, and into that the name, cost, and ID will be sent as an arguments and get stored in the product name, cost, and ID. And now if you check why we are using CNT, because that present uh, yeah, the present array index, and its details. If it is array index 1, in that list, which object is present, which product is present, that product's details will be printed. And case 2 is to change the cost depending upon the ID. So we are getting the ID from ID number from the user, and we are checking in the array, in the full array, whether this ID is matching anywhere in the array. And once it gets matched, its cost will be shown here. And immediately after that, it will ask for the new cost, and if we enter, the new cost will get updated. And case 3, this is to display all the products, that is all the objects present in the array. Case 4, this is to show the cost for a particular product name. We are getting the name from the user, we are checking it in the array, or like this, in the whole array we'll check it, and anywhere if the product name matches in the list, immediately its cost will be shown, help of show cost. This list, where we are list and in between brackets, these things we are using it as a reference, and using this, the class product methods will be called. And if we change x1 as 0, the program gets terminated. So let's run the program and see. It's asking for a choice. The product name, the cost, and the product ID are displayed here. I'm adding another product. Immediately its details will be displayed. Now I'm going to display all the details of all the products. See, product 1, product name, its cost and ID, and product 2, its name, cost, and ID will be printed here. Now I want to change the cost of a particular ID, so I'm going to change it using this choice. Now I'm going to give the ID 102, and it's showing the cost, it's 2000. Now I'll change it to 4000. Cost has been updated, and now let's check it with the name. This time we're giving the choice for product is DEF, its cost is 4000, gets updated. So now all the methods has been over. Now let's display all the products with all its details. Product 1, name, cost and ID. So you can see in product 2 the cost has been updated. See over here we can see the product cost to be 2000 and gets updated here. So using this program we can add products, change the cost and or display all the details and even methods. Thank you.